What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be back with another Cooking Fever video. Today's day 95. So, today we're gonna be going back to the Indian diner. Yep, I said we were gonna go back to it on day 86, but since we completed it early, we were able to take a break from it. So, yep, I did not do well in this restaurant at all. So, today we're gonna start the process of 3-starring. Let's stop wasting time and get into this level. Yep, with this restaurant, things could kinda move slowly. But hey, we still have to play levels. Now, I did just make a mistake there, but I mean, we have the extra tabletop. We can just leave it there, to be honest. Yep, now guys, I have been watching some of my videos, and finally, I compared the difference between before and now. The audio is just perfect. No background noise, no nothing. Because apparently this new screen recorder just records sound like of people. So unless it's someone, so yesterday, or I don't know which episode, when the baby was crying and I told you sorry for the baby, the recorder actually recorded it because it's only the sound of humans that appear. And plus with my new headset I can communicate more with you guys, so it just proves that I'm doing everything to make these videos better for you guys. Yep, close but far. Well, now I would upgrade like the curry leaves or add something, an ingredient at least. But the problem is with this restaurant, the ingredients are just expensive. So I kind of have no choice but just to play this episode today just for to make money. Yeah, because like fast food court, bakery, and sports bar, 3 stars. Theoretically, I should not be playing them in these videos anymore. But I will play them just to make more money. That's how it's gonna be from now on. Like when I play a restaurant that's not fully 3 starred, but I cannot do upgrades on it. I just played for money. What restaurants I've already completed 3 stars, I also played just for money. So now the next thing to 3 star on my restaurant is the Party Palace entirely. Luckily, I've done most of the job. I just need to do the last 2 levels. That's kinda it. Yep, today I'm sorry I'm like talking a lot, but again, my sister did advise me not to be depressed, to talk to you, so there you go, sis. You're getting what you want. Yep. Forgot to put do not disturb, but hey, at least I did move away the notification. I will put in the description of this video. Sorry for the notifications. So yep, today is gonna be only the 2 stars. But yep, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Probably gonna be back at the pizzeria, but I'm not sure yet. So stay tuned.